I'm here at an undisclosed location on top of the Illawarra Escarpment. It's not often that you'll see this much water flowing through these falls. And that's because we've had about a week worth of prolonged rainfall, which is quite uncommon for the back end of summer. I've never bothered to venture this far downstream, and that's because there's hardly ever enough water flowing through here to get any decent photos or to even swim in. But because of all the rain that we've had recently, I've been able to get some nice long exposures with the ghosting water cascading down through the rocks. That was so damn quick. I'm here at Sydney Motorsport Park, otherwise known as Eastern Creek. I'm helping the AME management boys out with gathering some footage for their Supercars Live TV series. Beautiful summer's day here in Sydney. I've been working on track and here in the pits, making sure that I get those money shots. Anyway, let's see how it went. Here at the Old Helensburgh Tunnel, we've had about a week straight of rain, and as you can see, this place is absolutely flooded. I think I'm gonna have to wait, come back here in about a week's time once the water level has died off a little bit, because there ain't no way I'm going and wading out in that just to get one photo.